for welcome to this class again. It's good to see you with you. It's good to have you here, and also it's a pleasure to see you. Okay, guys, let's continue. Okay, be ready. I'm gonna say your names. You have to say present or whatever you want to say, okay? All right.
Sabe preguntar qué nombre le pusieron.
Sorry?
¿Cuándo vienes?
Okay, thank you.
Se llama, ¿no?
Qué asco esa man, güey.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, pay attention to the list. Asuero,
Present.
thank you. Vallas,
Presente.
yes, I can notice that you're here. Carrión,
Present.
Ceballos. Well, I'm gonna suppose that you say some. Coronel,
Present.
Díaz,
Present.
Garzón. Garzón is not here. Okay. González,
Present.
Hidalgo,
Present.
Jiménez. Jiménez Soto. Okay, let me take a look of the waiting room. All right, let's continue. All right. Let me see. Okay, let's continue. López,
Present.
Merchan. Merchan, are you there? All right, no, she's not here. All right, let's see. Ovaco,
Present.
Ortiz,
Presente.
Luas,
Present.
Ramírez,
Presente.
Romero,
Presente.
Ronquillo,
Present.
Santa María,
Present.
Sevilla,
Present.
Tinoco,
Present.
Blasegui,
Present.
Wong,
Present, teacher.
Loaiza. Thank you guys for your attention. So let's continue analyzing our last class. The topic for this class, let me show you here. We were analyzing future forms, okay? So let me show you. All right. We were analyzing will and going to. We need to continue analyzing going to this future form. Okay, I'm gonna share with you my screen in order to watch, in order to see the entire topic. All right, here we have. Okay, will and going to. We already studied some stuff, some characteristics regarding to the use of this future form, will. As you can see here, we analyze the formulas, the uses, and also the importance, some examples. All right, let's continue analyzing going to. Going to, this is a future form, and let's find out. Going to, who wants to help me with the reading? Any volunteers? Let me see. Let's see. Neo Sevilla, please, can you help me with the reading? Thank you so much.
Okay, teacher. The future with going to is sorry, is used to express events you have already planned in the future and your intention for the future.
Thank you so much. Very good. All right. So my dear students, as you can see here, we have the going to, it's kind of a concept. He said that we're gonna use going to express events that you have already planned in the future and your intentions for the future, right? Also, as you can see here, we have a picture that is using going to in a real context. He said, this isn't going to be easy, but we'll start looking, all right? Okay, so let's continue analyzing about this topic in the next slide. All right, let's continue. Okay, guys, here we have positive, negative, and question, right? How we can structure in the first one, positive statement. For example, here we have the structure. You have to use subject plus be plus going to plus verb, right? Here we have a statement that is using this future form. He said, we're going to attend the wedding, right? And also the next one, she's tired. So she's going to take a nap, right? This statement is following the structure. As you can see here, if you want to take notes or maybe take a picture, just go ahead. You're allowed to do that. Positive sentence. Okay, let's continue. Negative sentence. Let's find out about this way to express. If we want to express that something that it won't be occur, we have to follow this structure. For example, the first one is said subject. We have to continue with be plus not, right? You have to add the negation, not plus going to, and the verb in the simple form. For example, we're not going to attend the wedding. She's not going to take a nap. All right? You already know this topic, I know, but it's important to remember those stops because you're gonna master this topic and also you'll have all the tools in order to perform the activity that we're going to do at the end of this hour. All right, on Richmond platform, as I told you yesterday. And a question. All right, here we have WH word in this case, and the regular form, the regular structure that we can use is the verb be, as you can see here, be plus subject plus going to plus verb in the simple form, right? For example, as you can see here at the statement, are they going to attend the wedding? Is she going to take a nap? In the case, here we have a WH word. You have to start with that. Why are they going to attend the wedding? And also, when is she going to take a nap? All right, don't forget that if you have a WH word, you have to start with that, right? With that word. And then you can continue with the normal structure, we can say. And the last, we have question mark. Don't forget. Okay. Let's see the next one. Here we have uses. Okay. Going to has a lot of uses. For example, we have to express, we can express with going to plans and also predictions, commands, or instructions. For example, in the first case, plans, here we have an example. I'm going to look for a new place to live next month, right? I'm expressing a plan because I'm saying that the next month I'm going to look at a new place, right? I want a new apartment. It will be. In the next one is a predictions. Okay, so we have an example. He said, there are dark clouds in the sky. I think it is going to rain later today, right? This is a statement I'm doing a prediction because I'm saying that it's going to rain later, right? Just a prediction. I don't know exactly. It will be happen. I don't know. All right, let's continue. Commands and instructions. Here we have, you're going to pick up your toys and go to your room. There is a command, right? Okay. That is the uses of going to, my dear students. And let's move on. Okay, here we have more examples in a real context. Here we have, the first one is it. Where is she going to put the books? Where is she going to put the books? Is he going to cry? Is he going to cry? She's not going to pay attention, right? Because she's sleeping. She's on the couch. And I am not going to go to the office tomorrow. Here we have another example. The cup is going to fall, right? Here we have a mistake. All right, guys. That is about the use of going to. I know that you know, right? So don't forget the characteristics of these two future forms. Will and going to. Okay, guys. So in order to practice, we're going to perform an activity as I told you before on Virtual Platform. You already uploaded. You have time until tomorrow midnight. Okay? That's it. And also don't forget, my dear students. All right, here we have. And sorry about that. Oh, the difference between will and going to. I remember that with you, we already studied it, right? Just for remember, if you use will, we are referring to the future with certainty and for recent, rapid decisions, right? And going, we said, that is, if you are expressing maybe some events that have been previously played, right? That is a little more short. All right. Okay, guys, that's it. I guess you have all the tools in order to carry out the activity that we have here. I'm gonna show you the activity. Here we have tags, the point hands. Let me show you which page. Page number 41. Page number 41 of the study book. Here I come. Let me see. All right. Okay. Here we have the activities that we need to perform in these moments, in this hour. It's about this topic, future form, will and going to. You need to, in the first question, you need to complete the rules of the use of going to and will. Okay. Number two, question number two, you have to use all of these words in order to complete the article. Very easy. You must to be afraid about the context. And question number, okay, question number 3 and 4, it's not necessary in this moment. You're gonna do question number 5. And also, you're gonna use going to and will in order to make questions and also positive statements, negative, right? Question number 6. We're continue analyzing future continuous. Here we have some rules you need to complete properly, obviously. And the question number 7. We're gonna continue completing the statements with future forms. All right? That's it, my dear students, the activity that you need to perform in this moment. For that, you have the no time, as I told you, until tomorrow midnight. And you can take advantage of the time doing in this moment. Okay, guys?
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Thank you
Okay,
for being
teacher.
here. It was a pleasure. You can disconnect to this class right now. Going to perform the activity. Good luck. If you have any question, please let me know through the chat on WhatsApp. I'll be ready to answer you.
All right, thank you, teacher.
Bye,
Bye.
teacher.